Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new series called Living Without Medicine. Today we will deal about Arsha, which is also called as piles. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Health Naturally, like, share and comment. Most of the people suffer from piles once in their lifetime. Piles, when we say all anorectal diseases are called as piles, but it is not so. Piles in Ayurveda is of two types, that is Shushka and Shravi Arsha. Shushka means dry and Shravi means bleeding. In modern, piles is divided into four types, that is first degree piles in which there is only bleeding, second degree piles in which there is bleeding with protrusion of mass during defecation but it goes inside by itself, third degree piles in which there is protrusion of mass which has to be pushed inside the anal canal, and in fourth degree piles the pile mass is always outside. Coming to causes of piles. The chief reason for causes of piles are constipation, diarrhea, stress and tension. Also, people or athletes or workers who do heavy lifting, use of fast food during pregnancy, people who uses alcohol and smoking, following a sedentary lifestyle which involves taking more of carbonated drinks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola and not doing any work, and having more of fast food which leads to getting or gaining more weight. As we know, piles involves a disease where we cannot go and show the affected part to people. Also, it involves shame and reluctancy for the same. So here are some do's and don'ts when suffering from piles. Good amount of intake of lukewarm water, which also acts as a natural laxative. It should be taken in an amount which is not less than 2 to 3 liters per day. It helps in softening the stools. While explaining the causes of piles, I have explained that obesity is one of the reasons. So lose weight if you feel like you are overweight. It will really help in reducing the symptoms of piles. Exercise regularly as it will help you to stay fit. Take more of green leafy vegetables in your diet as it will help in reducing the consistency of your stool and make your stool soft. High fiber diet is always advised, and these are some of the examples which are given in this image. It will help in reducing the hardness of your stool. It is always best to seek doctor's advice. Avoid self-medication as it will give you benefit for a small time. Avoid straining during defecation as when you strain, it will injure your anal canal. Avoid staying long time in toilet. Maximum of 2 minutes is allowed. If you feel like you have not completely evacuated, come out, and when the pressure builds up, you can go in. Avoid reading newspaper and using mobiles inside the toilet. It will deteriorate your condition more. Always remember to avoid hurry, avoid worry because stress increases your condition, and avoid curry like fast food, aerated drinks and all. Avoid spicy food, that is more of chili and masala. Avoid deep fried foods or fast food. Avoid chilies and avoid meat because it will lead to constipation and will deteriorate your condition. Avoid regular use of laxatives because it will make you habituated to laxatives. Avoid alcohol and smoking as it will deteriorate the condition of piles more. Avoid wearing tight-fitting clothes and heels. Avoid sitting and standing in same place for long hours. Avoid lifting heavy weights during exercise. Also, if there is no other way but to lift the weight, this figure explains the right way of lifting heavy weights. Coming to home remedies for piles. As we know, bleeding, constipation, protrusion of mass are the chief symptoms of piles. Here I will discuss some home remedies which can be followed, but it is always advised to consult a doctor at the earliest. For bleeding in piles, rice washed water 1 liter per day is advised. It will help you in reducing the bleeding during defecation. Constipation in piles and also for digestive related problem, Triphala Churna is very helpful. 2 tablespoons in 1 glass lukewarm water before food is really helpful. As during protrusion of mass in piles, for proper insertion of the pile mass, coconut oil and aloe vera gel is advised, as this helps in proper lubrication of the affected area and helps in passing the mass into the anal canal. In cases of pain with protrusion of mass, sitz bath with lukewarm water added with a little amount of table salt immediately after passing of stool for 5 minutes to 15 minutes is advised. This helps in drastically reducing the size of the protrusion and also helps in arresting the bleeding which happens in piles. Prescribing medicine is out of the context of this video. It is always advisable that you contact a registered Ayurveda doctor for better treatment. Also, subscribe to Health Naturally for more health related content every Saturday. Thank you.